It's very hard to find TV stands in the size I use, which is about 78 inches. So I decided to make my own TV stand to fit the functional layout, to match the furniture ratio of 1 to 25. And I used a fomex sheet, a plastic sheet, to make this TV stand. So the first steps I took were to measure the proportions accurately. After that, I cut it into 4 pieces and then glued them together. There, now I've cut out these 4 pieces. 4 pieces, right? Then I will fold them out like this and bend them and connect them using 502 glue. With 502 glue, the adhesion is very strong, guys. However, it does have a drawback, which is that you have to use it very carefully. If it gets on your hands, it sticks really tightly. There, I cut the tip, then I insert it in to drip the glue onto the pieces to stick them together. There, drip it onto the 2 middle pieces and it sticks really firmly. After that, I join the 2 pieces together. That's it. Now, to make the surfaces smooth and even, I have to use sandpaper. After gluing the pieces together, I'll use sandpaper. First, check the dimensions to see if they're accurate. There, if the dimensions are correct, I'll trim off any excess parts. With the glue sticking the 2 pieces together, it's actually quite hard to cut now. It's not as easy to cut as before. There, we have to measure the correct proportions. That's it. I'll trim it down to match the correct proportions. Alright. It's really sturdy now. Okay, so once I've cut the slats, I'll start smoothing and softening the surface of this TV stand. Now I have to go get some sandpaper. Please wait a moment. Here, I've got the sandpaper now. With this sandpaper, I'll smooth out all the edges. See the tape, the adhesive is still sticking to my hands. There, I'll sand it down evenly, smoothing it out so it's soft and there are no sharp edges or corners left. Doing this actually takes quite a bit of time. In this video, I'm fast forwarding through the steps to save you time. Sanding each side one by one. This is one side here. So this sandpaper, according to the store, is made in Japan and it's quite tough and firm. However, it's a bit thin, so if you don't hold it tightly, it can blister and bubble up. That's one side done, and if you look closely, you'll see it's already quite smooth. Next is this other side. Well, two sides, I already have 2 flat sides, so I just need to grind the 4 rough sides around there. After doing this a few times, we pick up little tips and tricks that help save time on future projects. This process also takes quite a lot of time because of these small details. That's why I realized that those who make small, intricate handmade items must truly love their craft and devote a lot of passion and time to their work. Creating each piece with great care. I'm sanding it relatively flat. I'll arrange this on the layout so it's easy for you to visualize. It's actually quite flat, guys. There, after that I'll sand the corners, rounding them off. Nowadays, the trend in furniture is to minimize sharp corners to create safety as well as in terms of